Oh boy, it's Sandy, huh?
I know I'm a pussy. I am what I am. The last time I checked, I am a pussy because I got one right between my legs.
Bala, you remember me, little girl? You want me to fucking drop my balls in your mouth, huh? Oh yeah, Sandy, I'm gonna fucking drop my balls in your fucking mouth, huh?
You wanna do some Mickey Mouse, bitch? I got something for you. I got your Mickey Mouse between my legs, bitch.
Oh yeah, you want me there too, huh? I know it.
No, actually I don't, because I got a 11-inch dick right now.
Let this guy talk, dude. He sounds pretty good.
Oh boy, Sandy.
I know, right?
I know you want my furry cock in your fucking vagina, huh? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, a 4-inch dick. I'm sorry. I'm never gonna go to a 3-4-inch dick ever again.
Bala, it would be an honor, remember?
You wouldn't want to fuck Mickey Mouse? Are you serious? Fuck, man. That'd be like an honor.
I don't like your dick. Sorry, I like my husband's dick better because it makes me
Sandy,
scream
you really
so
hurt my
loud.
feelings with that last comment.
Wow, then you must be one fucking whore, huh?
No, how would I be a one whore when I'm married?
Bala, you're a fucking slut, you little fucking slutty Sandy cock.
Yeah, let me tell you, I'm a slut while I'm married. I'm fucking my husband only. Oh yeah, let me tell you.
God, dude, it's funny.
Bala, it's just the way you talk dirty to me.
Do you want some? Do you like it up the ass?
Bala, anything for you, Sandy.
Anything for me? Okay, then can I take my 15-inch dildo and shove it up your ass and let you scream for your mama?
Boy, oh boy, you can, huh?
And I'll let you suck on my left nut. I'll let you suck on my left nut.
God.
My left nut and make the right one jealous.
Bala, you have fucking nuts, you fucking transvestite whore.
Yeah, come on and suck my fucking dick, bitch. You got it? You want to suck on my 15-inch dick, bitch?
Well, alright, let's fucking do it. Let's fucking suck your fucking dick, huh?
Come on, let on my fucking dick and I'll chop your dick off and put it in your mouth and sew your mouth shut. Duck, you're on our team. Let's start trolling people on here. Come on, Duck. Let's go. Come on, Duck. Come on. I ain't gonna be mean to you. Come on.
Retard I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Okay, see you later, man. Oh crap, oh
Look
crap.
at your body. Oh yeah, Sandy. I'm gonna fucking rape your body, Sandy.
Duck! Come on, Duck. We're not trolling me. We're trolling other people. Let's give other people a teabag.
Bala, I was giving you my fucking cock, Sandy, huh?
Sorry, but you do that to some other people. Not me. You're on our team.
But you fucking wanted it, huh?
No.
What do you
The
call
other
Sandy
team
cock?
wants it. The other team wants your Mickey Mouse cock. Those teams right there, they want your Mickey Mouse cock.
Oh, yeah. Say that again, huh? That turned me on.
Yeah, let them have your Mickey Mouse cock.
Say it one more time, Sandy.
Yeah, they will like your Mickey Mouse cock.
Bala, it's just the way you talk dirty to me.